Hello, wonderful people. It's my great pleasure to welcome you to my channel. It's a graphics and multimedia. My name is GraphityWR right here. And in today's video, you are going to learn step by step on how to add timestamp or chapter to your YouTube video using free AI tools. Step by step tutorial. So let's begin. But before we dive deep into the tutorial, if you're new to this channel, remember to hit on that subscribe, turn on notification bell so each time I post content about YouTube topic like this, you'll be notified. So with that being said, let's dive into the tutorial and see how to add timestamp or chapter to your YouTube video step-by-step tutorial using free AI tools. So let's begin.
Welcome back, friends. So let's see how to add a timestamp or how to add chapter to your YouTube video using AI free tools. All right, so the first thing you want to do is to make sure when you upload your video, before you can publish the video, one thing you need to do is to make sure you click on the video link right here, copy the video link. Having copied the video link, next thing you want to do is to make sure you create a new tab. Then you have to come to the address bar right here, right click on the address bar and paste the link, then press enter key on your keyboard. This is allow you to load the video on YouTube. Then we have to click on see more right here. From the description right here, we click on see more. Then we have to scroll down again, then we look for show transcript. We'll click on that. So the video transcript is going to be shown right here. So what we want to do next is to make sure we highlight and we copy all the transcript right here. All right, so the video is about 6 minutes 13 seconds. Next thing we want to do is to just press Ctrl C to copy the transcript. Next thing you want to do is to make sure we create a new tab right here. Then we have to go head over to our address bar. We make sure we type in graffiti. So the AI tool we are going to use here is gravitywrite.com. So I'm going to click on that. All right, so it's going to open up to the gravitywrite.com website, just like what you see right here. So if you are very new to the site, what you need to do is to create a free account. After you are able to create a free account, that is when you can use AI tools on this particular website. So I have already created an account with this gravitywrite.com. What I'm going to do next is to make sure I click on login, just to sign into my account. Then I'll come down below right here, click on login. Once you log in, you'll be taken in straight into the all tools about this particular website. So what we want to do next is to make sure we navigate to YouTube tools right here. So YouTube tools have about 8 different tools. Then we have to navigate to timestamp right here. Number 5, which is timestamp. So you can see right here, number 5, timestamp, out of 8 tools on YouTube that you can use under this particular section. Next thing we want to do is to come to this section right here, this column, this box right here. We have to paste in all the script of the video that we copied from YouTube. What we want to do next is to press Ctrl V to paste it right here. So having pasted everything, next thing we want to do is to make sure we click on create content. So you can see everything has been successfully created. What we want to do next is to make sure we copy everything right here. So for us to do that, we just have to come to the top right here. We highlight everything. Then we press Ctrl C to copy. Then we have to head over back to our YouTube channel. From the studio right here, this is the video we transcribe. Then we have to scroll down and we paste the timestamp right here. So we can timestamp. Then we press Ctrl V to paste it here. So right now we can see everything has been pasted. So we can edit. So just a backspace just to make sure everything move close together. So we just backspace and backspace. So after you are able to add the timestamp, just like what you see right here, everything has been set. Next thing you want to do is to make sure you come to the top right here where you see save. So you have to click on save. So all these changes will be saved into the video. All the timestamp is going to be saved into the video. Okay. After you have successfully saved the video, next thing you want to do is to go to your video link right here, copy the link again. Then the next thing you want to do is to go to your address bar again and make sure you create a new tab. Then we have to come to the address section right here. Then we press Ctrl V to paste the link. So this is the video link. I'll press enter key on my keyboard. So you can see the video right here. It has been added successful. So for us to confirm if the chapter has been successfully added, what we want to do is to make sure we scroll down and we come to see more right. We click on more right here. Then we have to scroll down and we're going to see everything. So as you can see right here, these are the chapters. So we can click on here to swipe and see more. You can see these are all different chapters. So we can jump from one chapter to another. Let's, for instance, we want to jump into how to set a currency USD. We can click on that, then it will automatically jump into that particular section in the video. So this is how you can add timestamp or chapter to your YouTube video, step-by-step tutorial. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big thumb up, and also if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, remember to hit on that subscribe for more tutorial about YouTube topic like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.